What's going on, everybody? My name's Edwin and welcome to my channel, The Edge of Freedom. Now, after several months of not posting anything on YouTube, I am back most specifically to share this wonderful journey that I am on, that I've been on for about a year and a half in building my agency, and most importantly right now to give out value, tips and tricks to people who need it, to my community, so we can grow together. I'll be posting a video on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays every week so I can bring you guys as much value as possible, just to make sure that we stay connected to the community and that I help as much people as possible. So if that's something that you're interested in, subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Peace.